Homemade decor created with yarn and patient hands carries a quiet kind of magic. These designs are not rushed, factory-made pieces meant to simply fill empty spaces. They are slow, thoughtful creations shaped moment by moment, often made during peaceful evenings, quiet afternoons, or early mornings when the world feels still. Every piece tells a story, not loudly or boldly, but gently, through texture, warmth, and intention woven into every detail. One of the most beautiful qualities of homemade decor designs is how deeply personal they feel. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. Even when inspired by a similar idea, the maker's mood, rhythm, and touch subtly influence the final result. This uniqueness gives handmade decor a soul that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. When placed in a home, these designs don't just decorate a room, they add comfort, character, and a sense of belonging that feels natural and sincere. Texture plays a powerful role in these designs. The soft loops, layered surfaces, and interwoven details add visual depth, making rooms feel warmer and more inviting. Whether resting on a chair, placed on a shelf, or displayed on a tabletop, these pieces naturally draw the eye without demanding attention. They balance simplicity and detail, offering beauty that feels calm rather than overwhelming. In a world filled with sharp edges, screens, and constant digital noise, textured handmade decor provides a soothing visual pause. Another strength of homemade decor designs is their remarkable versatility. They fit effortlessly into many interior moods: cozy, minimal, rustic, modern, or traditional. Whether a space is filled with neutral tones or expressive colors, these handmade elements adapt gracefully. They do not compete with furniture or artwork. Instead, they soften the overall atmosphere, gently tying different elements together and making a room feel complete and lived in rather than staged. There's also something deeply comforting in knowing a piece was made slowly and intentionally. Each design requires patience, focus, and care. The hours invested are quietly embedded into the final piece, giving it emotional value beyond its appearance. When someone touches or uses it, they are interacting with time, effort, and creativity. This emotional connection often transforms simple decor into cherished household items that are kept, repaired, and appreciated for many years. Homemade decor designs celebrate imperfection in the most beautiful way. Slight variations in shape, size, or tension are not flaws. They are reminders that human hands were involved. These subtle differences give character and authenticity, making each piece feel alive and genuine. In contrast to perfectly identical store-bought items, homemade decor feels honest, grounding, and comforting. It reflects real life rather than manufactured perfection. Sustainability is another quiet strength of these designs. Often created using leftover materials or thoughtfully chosen supplies, homemade decor encourages mindful living. It supports a slower lifestyle that values reuse, creativity, and intentional choices. Decorating with handmade pieces becomes more than an aesthetic decision. It becomes a reflection of values: care for the environment, appreciation for craftsmanship, and respect for time and resources. The placement of these designs within a home can completely transform everyday spaces. A simple corner becomes cozy. A plain table gains personality. A quiet room feels warmer and more welcoming. These pieces invite people to pause, observe, touch, and appreciate the details. They create an atmosphere that feels loved and intentional rather than temporary or impersonal. Beyond their physical beauty, homemade decor designs often carry deep emotional meaning. Many are created as gifts, symbols of care, love, and thoughtfulness. Giving something handmade communicates effort and intention, a silent way of saying, "I spent time thinking about you." When displayed in a home, these pieces become reminders of relationships, milestones, celebrations, and shared moments. they quietly hold stories that do not fade with time. There is also joy in the creative process itself. Designing and making decor by hand allows for self-expression and gentle exploration. Ideas grow naturally, guided by imagination rather than strict rules. Shapes, textures, and patterns come together intuitively, resulting in designs that feel organic and heartfelt. The maker's creativity becomes visible, turning simple materials into meaningful art that reflects individuality and emotion. Homemade decor designs also bring a sense of calm into modern living spaces. In a fast-paced world driven by convenience and speed, these pieces represent slowness and intention. They remind us that not everything needs to be rushed or replaced. Their presence encourages a quieter appreciation of the home environment and invites moments of stillness and reflection. In many homes, handmade decor becomes part of daily life rather than something admired from a distance. It is used, touched, moved, and appreciated regularly. Over time, these pieces gather memories, the warmth of gatherings, the comfort of quiet evenings, and the rhythm of everyday living. This connection between object and experience adds depth and meaning that cannot be purchased. In modern homes, where trends rise and fade quickly, handmade decor designs remain timeless. They do not rely on seasonal popularity or passing styles. Their beauty lies in craftsmanship, texture, and intention, qualities that never go out of fashion. As trends change, these pieces continue to feel relevant, comforting, and deeply human. Ultimately, handmade decor designs are more than decoration. They represent patience in a fast world, care in a disposable culture, and beauty shaped by human hands. They remind us that a home is not built only with walls and furniture, but with warmth, creativity, and love. Sometimes the most meaningful designs are created quietly, patiently, and lovingly, one stitch at a time, turning a simple house into a true home.